This is my last day in San Diego, and I went down to the coast to visit a friend. I got to see the ocean and a bunch of wildlife. Now, this is called the Children's Pool La Jolla. Then it was time to head north towards LA, but first we had to stop and get some food. So we found this place called Aerys in Oceanside. We walked in and a head popped up and I heard, "The vegan zombie!" And he introduced himself to me as Scott, the owner of the place. We talked about veganism and food, and he was a super nice guy. So if you've been here before, you already know. We ordered some of these tacos and this French toast big chicken sandwich thing here. Everything was amazing and the portions were out of this world. Again, Scott was a super nice guy. He was very talkative. We felt at home here, and the vibe was like 80s music going on. It was really cool. And if you can guess what song was playing right here as I'm eating this, I'll pin your comment to the top. 80 songs, pop 80s. Here I am with a horchata, and I need to dig in. But first, I want to show you a closer look at that French toast and the tacos. Look at these. All right, I need to try one of these. Here we go. I'm just going to tell you right now, it was as good as it looks. And all vegan, made with love. So if you ever find yourself in Oceanside, you definitely got to come here and check it out. Tell him I sent you. This was a lemon blueberry vanilla cake. He had just made it and cut us a piece, so I had to try this. Super good. Although I was already really full, but here goes. Yup, it's good. Just arriving in LA, getting a hotel room at the Hilton. They were doing a lot of construction out here. And there was this little fish here that I saw in the aquarium, and he would come over to me and I would say hi to him, and hi, I'm sorry you're in here, but he seemed very friendly and he recognized me when I came back. Then we walked around West Hollywood, and of course we got this Wally thing again. And then just had to go get some night shots here. We got Beverly Hills, you know. And for dinner, I'm at Ippudo with some vegan ramen. I forget what everything was here, but here we have some ramen, a cucumber roll. It was really good. They had vegan sushi. Tried some of everything here. And this is their kale salad. It was a little bit oily for me. This tofu was really good, baked tofu. And then back out on the streets of Beverly Hills. Nice night out. And there was a lunar eclipse that night. But where my hotel was, it was just out of range. Could not see it. And what do you know? Look what was playing on the TV. Junior! If you know what movie this is, let me know in the comments below. And this next day here was a day at Expo, which you can already watch. Those videos are posted. But after that, this is what I ate. All right, this is from Chicana Vegana. And we have everything here is vegan, of course. We have potato taquitos and rice and beans. Over here, we got the chorizo nachos. Look at that. And then over here, I got one of each of their tacos, different ones. So I'm gonna kind of rummage through those. We got some pozole. And then over here, the classic, I'm trying to get my shadow not in here, a classic burrito with a carne asada. And it's time to dig in. We got one of these mini tacos. Yeah. And that's it for this video, but I've got a lot more fun and exciting content of my trip, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Oh, and of course I'm going to mention my pro-vegan feature film, A44. If you've already seen it, you already know. But if you haven't, this is my independent horror, filmed on a shoestring budget over the course of a few months in 2022 in my hometown in upstate New York. So many people came together to make this movie what it is today, and it was crowdfunded by over 1,100 supporters, and it was released last year, 2025, and I hope it's half as special to you as it is to me. And you can watch it now on YouTube, Google Play, Tubi, or Fawsome. And that means you can rent it, buy it, or stream it free with ads. It was a labor of love, and it's dedicated to my dog, Indy. I really hope you enjoy it.